In a vibrant pixelated bamboo forest, a fluffy baby panda named Penny emerges from a bush, happily waving her little paws. The upbeat melody invites everyone to join the playful antics of baby animals. However, soon, Penny's smile fades as she searches for her favorite blue toy box, imagining it hidden in the woods. Feeling sad, she digs through the bamboo leaves, wishing to find her lost treasure. Suddenly, she stumbles upon a giant glowing stone wall, blocking her path. In the center is a magical, locked gate shaped like a square. Penny, with a squeaky voice, realizes that the gate needs a special shape key to open. A playful voice prompts that there are two glowing shapes nearby, a bright red circle and a bright blue square. Encouraged by the voice, Penny gestures towards the blue shape, and they count its sides together, excitedly confirming it has 4 equal sides. With enthusiasm, Penny slides the blue square into the gate's keyhole, and with a satisfying click, the gate begins to glow and slide open, revealing a hidden bamboo path. Exhilarated, Penny skips through, leaving a trail of sparkling blue squares behind her. As she ventures deeper, Penny discovers her blue square toy box nestled under a large tree, scattered with colorful blocks nearby. Elated, she realizes the mess and decides it's time to clean up. With determination, she begins to place each block inside the box, making sure everything is neat and tidy. The narrator highlights the inside area, cheering her on as she puts the final block away. With a warm hug for her toy box, Penny feels proud of her accomplishment. Just then, a cheerful little monkey swings down, clapping and joining the celebration, singing about their success and turning the cleanup into a joyful game. As day turns into night, the bamboo forest transforms into a serene landscape under a twinkling starry sky. The magical moments come to a calm as Penny's toy blocks rest safely inside the box. The narrator softly reminds that it's time for our panda to rest, as Penny yawns and walks slowly to her cozy bed made of soft leaves. Nestled in her bed, she hugs a plush square toy, whispering a sweet goodnight to the stars and the moon. The narrator bids farewell to Penny, wishing her sweet dreams as the peaceful night envelops the forest. Finally, the screen fades to a gentle starry sky, transitioning to an end scene filled with sparkles. Penny appears, holding her toy box with a delighted smile. The cheerful voice invites everyone, reminding them of their role as shape detectives, and encourages them to like the adventure they've just had, and to follow the channel for more fun adventures. The monkey cheers alongside, and together they wave goodbye, wrapping up a day filled with exploration, teamwork, and joy.